Hi, this is my video on how to junk journal. There aren't any rules with junk journaling, but it is good to have some structure for how to do it. So some tools that you can use, scissors, tape, glue, a photo printer if you wanted to, and most importantly, junk. Some different junk that I like to get personally is bags from different places or handouts from coffee shops or restaurants, stickers, wrappers, labels, stuff like that. And cutting everything out to make it look good is one of the most important things that I find is fun. Also, planning out your spread before you do it is super important. Layering is super important, as well as just gluing stuff on top of other things. And also getting rid of things that you don't think fit. If things don't match what you're going for, you don't have to use them. Making changes as you go is a part of the process, as well as doodling. I love adding doodles, drawing, writing little things, and just kind of making the page fun and a good memory of some time that I've been having. If you want some other examples of different spreads that I've done, obviously I've done a bunch. I use a lot of different products like paper, other stickers, labels from food, as well as birthday cards or notes and pictures that I've printed out. Everything can be used in a junk journal. Bracelets that I've had, stickers, different things like that, and even making a home page to say what you're doing now. Happy journaling!